Now we are going to honor our Almatians for their academic excellence. Proficiency prize, LKG, first prize, Sanahat, second prize, Likshita, third prize, Marlia Fatima. Please come. Marlia Fatima. Okay. Shivasangari ma'am, anga ponga. Proficiency prize for UKG. First prize goes to Ajib. Second prize goes to Muhammad Ibrahim. Third prize goes to Subiksha. Proficiency for first standard. First prize goes to Nadira Aksa. Second prize goes to Rifka Saira. Third prize goes to P. Nanda. Next. Proficiency prize for second standard. First prize goes to Muhammad Ismail. Second prize goes to Danin. Third prize goes to S. Ajmal. Where is Aksa? Okay. Proficiency prize for third standard. First prize goes to Shriti Kane. Second prize goes to Al Safa. Third prize goes to Shashini. Danin. ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிருங்க கொடுங்க அவ்வளவுதான் வராத Proficiency prize for fourth standard. First prize goes to Hifza Amir. Second prize goes to Muhammad Ashraf. Third prize goes to Ashik. Fifth standard proficiency prize. First prize goes to S. Jasmine Fatima. Second prize goes to Sujain Zahra. Third prize goes to Sasidharan. Septennial Students Award. These Almatians studied in our school from LKG to 5th standard without any break. For that we would like to honor them with a memento. 2018 to 2025 batch. Muhammad Ahanaf, R. Sasidharan, Bhavya Shri, Jasmine Fatima, Rihanna, Suzain Zahra, Ulagammal. Please come to the stage, ma. Sasi, come up.